Do you find yourself struggling to keep track of your team's hours and wondering how much time they spend on each task? Are you tired of dealing with cumbersome paper timesheets or complicated spreadsheets that are difficult to manage? Well, worry no more, because Workstatus has launched a new feature that will simplify your time tracking process. Introducing Workstatus Free Timesheet Templates, making it easier for you to manage your team's hours and tasks. Why have we launched free timesheet templates? We understand that time tracking can be a significant challenge for businesses of all sizes. Many businesses still use paper timesheets, which are time-consuming and prone to errors. That's why we've launched our free timesheet templates. We wanted to make it easier for businesses to track their team's time with ease and without any errors. With a wide range of timesheet templates to choose from, such as daily hourly timesheet, weekly timesheet, bi-weekly timesheet, monthly timesheet, project timesheet template. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or part of a large organization, our templates are designed to make time tracking easy and efficient. How to use Workstatus free timesheet templates. It's simple. All you need to do is visit the link mentioned in the description or pinned comment. Go to the download section and select a template that suits your business needs. Download the selected timesheet template in your system. After downloading, start filling in the necessary details, and you're good to go with tracking your time. Workstatus free timesheet templates are a valuable addition to any business that wants to simplify its time tracking process. So why wait? Sign up for Workstatus today and start using our free timesheet templates to simplify your time tracking process and increase your team's productivity.